Home Show.
David from College Station has some tile trouble.
Yeah, he built a new house back in May, Tom, and he's wondering if he may have a seal problem. So here's what he writes. My kitchen stove has a backsplash tile. Let me just show you a picture of this thing. This is the tile. And he says he's wondering if the installer did not seal it properly, and he's wondering if that's what's causing the discoloration issue that he's dealing with. What do you think?
I don't think it's that. The tile doesn't discolor, and you don't seal a tile like that. That's a ceramic tile. You'll see it's got a finish on there. It's got a pattern in it. So I think it's the quality of the tile that's doing that. I don't know why. But as far as that goes, that's not a sealer issue. Sealer would be in a grout. You seal the grout sometimes, and you can do that. But as far as the tile itself, the only tiles that get sealed are things like Saltillo tile or the Italian quarries that don't have a finish on there and you have to put it on top. And that's a whole different ball game. Some stones get sealed like travertine and things like that too. But as far as ceramic tiles or porcelain tiles, they do not require, nor can they even take a sealer.
So to get the bottom of that problem, he may have to go and redo that whole backsplash. And get
it's
tile.
a backsplash.
Is that what you're saying?
It very well could be. The backsplash, it's behind the stove, and the tile might not be handling the heat because you have to be careful on the quality of tile you buy. And some tile is not meant to hold up to high heat, strong sunlight, or freezing temperatures. So in certain situations, especially behind a backsplash, or if you're doing outside tile and you live in an area of the country where you have really cold, freezing weather, you've got to be very selective of the type of tiles you buy. You can't just buy something that is inexpensive and looks good because it won't hold up.
Yeah, I'm really surprised a builder wouldn't spec that better if he's building this house. I mean, to make sure it's a tile that would work in that situation.
And I don't know who bought the tile. The homeowner could have bought it and said, here, let's use this. The builder might have said, hey, I got some in my garage. We can use that. I don't know the builder if he was a framer that just said, hey, I can build your home for you. Or if it was a production builder that really has no control over that stuff because they don't care. They're just money managers. The word builder is used in a very loose way in the state of Texas. But if you're handling a educated craftsman builder, then yes, you're right. They probably should have been a little more aware. And I don't think it was that type of situation. I think it came down to price, and maybe they said, hey, this is the money we have. That looks pretty good. Let's go with it.
Go to HomeShowRadio.com, click on that there Ask Tom button. It'll take you to this page where you can choose whether to send us a question in writing with pictures or a video or what have you. We love to get your questions. Tom answers a new one, and we post them here every day at HomeShowRadio.com, our YouTube channel, and, of course, on Facebook.